Not cool down too much, but we are going to get into a day and a half of some less humid air. Right now, the area we've been watching still classified as Invest 90 for now. However, the Hurricane Center is no longer highlighting this area for possible development. Basically, what they're saying is even with winds of 40 miles an hour and a fairly well-defined little surface low, I'm going to show you here, this is an association with a front, and that feature is going to kind of get absorbed into the front and no longer really have any tropical characteristics. Plus, we have a front on the way, which is going to push that moisture a little bit farther south for a brief period. Then, as we head toward next week, we'll be watching our Caribbean wave that is now over the Yucatan, moving toward the Bay of Campeche, southwestern Gulf for maybe more rain as we head into next week. First, though, the little Gulf flow that we're watching, as I said, has a fairly well little structure, a fairly well organized little structure of that low-level circulation, but the winds and heavy rainfall well removed from that, and we've been getting in on the fair share of some of the heavier rainfall, which thankfully today has been a little bit more manageable. Still a lot of moisture all over the place, so this system never really started to kind of contract a bit and start getting that rainfall right near a center. So what we're looking at right now are some pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall across parts of the North Shore, around the metro area, getting in on some brief downpours here, though most of us have just been in kind of more of a light, moderate, steady rain. We will find a few areas of some heavier showers. Had a street flood advisory from Houma to Raceland up toward Thibodaux. That is done now. We'll continue with the showers through the evening, overnight, and into tomorrow. We'll try and figure out the timing of when our rain ends for tomorrow, and then looking ahead to, again, a brief period of some less humid air. Another check of the tropics also in just a few minutes.